Hello. So in the previous session, we have gone through fourth application of NLP, that is keyword matching, and how the smart search engines work on the backend in order to match the relevant query results based on the keywords extracted from the different user sentences and try to assist the user in order to pop up the result relevant to the entered keyword. So now we will move on to the final application of NLP, where it is used widely in the form in the aspects of the field of business, that is market intelligence. So generally, when it comes to the market or the business data, so it will be in the form of a large number of documentations, right? So it will be consisting of different reports, different paragraphs, different use cases explained in paras and paras pasted together, and they are maintained in a document repositories. So it is a best use case for the NLP in order to fetch, or in order to understand, or in order to summarize the overall business content available in the repository. So as a business person, I am like this picturizes the picture on the screen, trying to picturize the overall confusion that a business person is facing when he is submitted with a large amount of business data, the market data to him. So it is very difficult to correlate different documents and try to extract the insights and try to correlate between different documents in order to get the insights hidden in the given document or a given thesis written on a market research. So NLP will play key aspects in order to summarize the documents, categorize the documents, extract the content for a given document, and it will try to visualize it, or it will try to give the overall summary of the large number of documents and try to help the business people or the business CEOs or any higher level management in order to understand, or in order to get the gist of what exactly the market is trending on, or what exactly my documents are directed towards. So suppose say he is holding a conference meeting, and he is running very late for his meeting, and he has 5 to 6 documents to study through, and it is very difficult for him to accumulate all the information at a given point of time, and it is very difficult for that business person to correlate and extract the insights for a given point of time. In that case, in that user case scenario, the NLP solution built on top of mm, document extraction or document categorization solution will help the business person, or will help the use case or the person in order to get the summary of all those documents in fractions of seconds, and it will try to help the person in order to understand the overall trend or the overall hidden patterns present in the given set of documents. So this is one of the other aspects or other applications of NLP, which will try to improvise the business strategies and also help the business people in order to improve their solutions based on the available documents and available data. So in also in the other cases, say HR department. So HR department, the major challenge that HR face during recruitment is like, for a given job application or given job role, a lot number of applications will be coming through the websites or the job portals. Now it's very crucial for the HR to filter out the relevant applications or the resumes before actually proceeding with the interview. So in such use case scenario, NLP will be optimum, and it will be assisting the HR recruiting persons to categorize the resumes, and it will help the HR person to filter out the uh, resumes before actually proceeding with the interviews, or actually proceeding with the candidates further procedures, and it will try to save the time of HR department to opt for the right candidate to start with the interview process. So there are other tools which are basically helping the HR management, that is ATS, automated text solution basic, like it is similar to that. So it will try to help the HR management by filtering out the resumes. So what exactly this tool will be built upon? So it will be built upon NLP. So the resumes which are present in the form of PDF or document written in the form of text. So the if you give the input to the ATS to set and set some criteria or the skills, see, these are the document or these are the mandatory skills which I need, which I am looking for. And if a resume comes up with all these skills, then please proceed that resume with the further process. Otherwise, please eliminate that resume and help me to filter out the right candidates. So all these kind of applications are basically built upon NLP in order to improve the business solution and also improve the overall performance of a company. So by this, I am concluding out top five applications of NLP. So there are other aspects or other important applications as well, which are related to NLP. I will just tell those names, and we can have a deep discussion by, or we can go through that by self learning. So one of those things are automatic spam and ham detector for the mail accounts, then SMS organizer or the SMS categorizers, all speech to text, all those things are actually the core NLP solutions which help the users in order to classify the mails or the messages into spam and ham category and try to reduce the user time and help the user to get the immediate or important mails on the hand before he has to go through all the spam and ham or the spam messages, right? So these are the other applications of NLP where we can implement the solutions to the user needs.